Okay guys, I got my appointment this morning to get my water pump looked at. They said if they had one in stock and it was one that needed replacing, they would change it, but he said that's very unlikely. They have to order them. So Brian?
Good morning, Mary. How are you,
How
sir?
you doing, sir? I'm here for that T-51.
I'm great.
Well, I got lucky today, guys. I was waiting in the waiting room there, and they came and told me that they had one more pump left, last one, a Concentric. So they replaced it. There's my old one sitting on the ground there. It's fine, really. There's nothing wrong with it. But I'm glad to get the new one. There's some old dead soldiers there. They've changed quite a few so far. They are well into this recall. Alright, so we got a new water pump on it. They're still screwing around with it. Sitting here letting it idle. We're 90 degrees. We've got the pump changed out. I looked at about 3 or 4 of them that they had done on other vehicles. Talked to the mechanic. Really good guy. I really like this dealership here, Acadiana Dodge. I really think this is the best dealership I've ever done business with. We've got new water pump, got a vent hole. Okay guys, so let's talk about the two types of pumps that they replacing the faulty pumps with. I got this picture off of one of the Cummins forums. Guy did a great job taking the picture, and he shared it with us. This is an OPM brand pump. It's from Italy. You can see the vent hole is in a slightly different place, and the end of the shaft sticks out a little more than the Concentric brand. But basically they are very close to the same. And they're using that to replace both brands to replace the recalled. Now this is the 2018 that I looked at in the lot while I was waiting, and to me that looks like an OPM pump also. It's pretty rusty and it needs running, you can see that, and the guy was trying to sell it to me pretty hard. But now this is a 2017 with a Concentric pump and a weep hole. And this is pretty much exactly what they put on my truck. So they're using both, it looks like, whatever they can get their hands on, probably, is my guess. This is my actual truck with the vent hole. You can barely see it. I'm not as good a photographer as the other picture. But that's, you can see the nose cone is flat on the Concentric brand. And of course, Concentric was the ones that were recalled, and Concentric has got manufacturing points all over the world. But that's about it, guys. I really like the new radios on the 18s. They've got Android Play and Apple Play. But anyway, until next time, adios.